Having trouble finding the fuse box on your 2020 Ford F-550 or figuring out which fuses control which systems? If you're dealing with electrical issues and unsure if it's a fuse, this guide is here to help. We'll show you the exact location and provide a clear diagram to identify the fuses for different systems in your Super Duty. Engine compartment fuse box. The 2020 Ford F-550 engine compartment fuse box protects essential systems like the engine control, cooling fans, and lighting. It features clear labeling and diagrams for easy identification of fuses and relays. The box is also designed to be water-resistant, safeguarding electrical components from moisture. Passenger compartment fuse box. The 2020 Ford F-550 passenger compartment fuse box manages interior electrical components such as power windows, seats, and infotainment systems. It is compact, with clearly labeled fuses for easy identification and replacement. Conveniently located, it helps ensure the protection of the vehicle's interior electronics.
Type of fuses: blade fusee, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.